he's always at ease. He lives in the jungle, hangs by his knees, and swings through the trees without a trapeze in his BVDs. He got a union card and he's practicing hard to play the guitar. Gonna be a big star, yeah, it's gonna go far. Carry moonbeams home in a jar. He ordered Chet's guitar course COD, makes A, E, working on B, digs C and W and R and B, and me and the chimpanzee agree that one day soon he'll be a celebrity. Get it, get it, get it, get it! Guitar Zane, he's a guitar man. He's all you can stand. Give him a hand, Guitar Zane. Jane with no last name, kinda homely and plain. Loves her just the same, cause she kindles a flame and it drives him insane when he hears her sing. She really does her thing, it's her claim to fame. Come on, sing one, Jane.
All right. Baby, baby, whoa, baby, scooby-dooby, baby, scooby-dooby-doobas, baby, whoa, baby.
Let's hear it for Jane!
Thank you, folks, thank you.
Well, he got a pet monkey, he likes to get drunky and sing boogie-woogie, and it sounds real funky. Come on, your time, boy, here we go. Sing one, monkey. Let's hear it for the monkey. On Saturday night they need some excitement. Jane gets right, monkey gets tight, voices unite in the pale moonlight. Sounds alright, yeah, it's dynamite, it's out of sight. Let's hear it, right?